Cinnabon. That's so cute. Oh, and it unravels. Look at that. Oh. We got some treats. Ooh, you like the smell of that? We got more treats. Some lamb yummies. And Bajorn's bacon goat cheese bites. How'd you think of that, buddy? Mitten. A little birdie. And more little birdies. It is bright. Okay, hello. Ew. Take this off. I tried recording a part while I was in the bathroom, but that didn't even go through. Like, it didn't record. So I'm going to the store. And yeah. A fail. Okay, I can't. Ooh, stay. Please stay. Oh, we're just gonna. Okay, that was like an epic fail because I went in there looking for like little stocking stuffers, like candy wise, for like my mom, and like mini M&Ms for my boyfriend because that's his like favorite candy. Besides like other stuff that they don't have there, but I couldn't find any mini M&Ms, so it's like, you know what, whatever. And the only like good good chocolate was this like little assorted, but that box was so tiny, and I was like, it's not even worth $1. So now I'm gonna go pick up my boyfriend, and he's gonna go to Aldo with me. Hopefully I'll find some stocking stuffers for my mom, because she always buys everyone stocking stuffers and she never gets anything. Well, like, neither does my dad, but still. Yeah. So it's the next day. I want to show you what I got yesterday. This is everything. This is what I bought for myself, and everything else I bought was for my mom. But basically, I saw this, and it was on sale for $7. And look at these colors. This is brand new. It's so gorgeous. Like, this one reminds you of 50 gold. But I'm probably gonna use these three. And that for like eyeshadow or something. And then wow, my hands are great. Smooth. And then Color Pop. I never had anything from Color Pop, so I thought this eyebrow pencil, and I don't know, I've heard good things about this brand, so we'll see. And then I finally bought Shape Tape Concealer. I've always wanted to try this, but I didn't want to buy the full size because I didn't want to spend $30. So I bought this mini one for $10, but since they had a 20% off coupon for everything, I think it was only like $8. This was like $5. I think this was $4. And yeah, that's my little haul. Sorry, my voice is raspy. I just woke up like an hour ago. Yeah, thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 16, and I'll see you tomorrow. Also, I want to say thank you for 55 subscribers, because now I'm 45 away from 100. And once I get to 100, I'm going to do a small giveaway to say thank you to everyone who's subscribed. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Happy Vlogmas Day 17. But okay, so that last big clip you just saw where I was doing my makeup, those 3 products I just bought yesterday and I was just testing them out, and I have to say I really like them all. I like the ColourPop eyebrow pencil, but I don't know, maybe it's just me, or it just felt like not really hard to use, but like dry in a sense, like not super creamy. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. Either way, I still like it. And then I tried the Tape Shape Wear Concealer, the Tarte thing that like everyone talks about, and I've never had it, and it's my first time trying it. I like it a lot better than the concealer I was using before, and yeah, I think it did good. I think it's my color, I'm not really sure. And then I tried the Wet n Wild new highlighting palette that just came out. I love it. It's great. It's great. And yeah, I think overall I like the products I got, and yeah. But also, there's like a lot of dupes for the Tape Shape concealer, so I might want to buy those and see like which one I like better. Yeah, okay.
Okay, it's Rap Pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all